I once got a piece of YouTube advice that I completely ignored. Someone told me your first 20 videos aren't for your audience, they're for you. And at that time, I thought, no, I want my videos to look professional right from the start. I wanted every single one to be perfect. I wanted them to be polished, thumbnails, sharp edits, flawless delivery. I thought if I could just get everything right, I'd grow faster. But you know what? That mindset nearly stopped me from creating at all. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia, the channel where I help those of us over 40 get set up and growing on YouTube. So when I first started, I spent hours filming, refilming, tweaking, editing and second guessing. I'd watch big creators and think, oh, I'm never going to sound that confident or look that polished. Every little imperfection made me want to start over. And here's the truth. Most of those early videos didn't even perform any better because of all of that effort. But the ones where I just talked, share what I knew, and didn't overthink it, those were the videos that people commented on. Not because they were perfect, but because they were real. So after a while, it finally clicked with me, okay? Those first 20 videos really aren't for your audience. They're for you. Therefore, learning how to talk to a camera, how to edit quickly, and how to find your own rhythm. They're where you make mistakes, where you cringe at yourself, and then figure out how to do it better the next time. Every single creator goes through that messy middle, okay? The only difference between the ones who make it and the ones who quit is that the first group kept uploading through that awkward stage. So once I stopped obsessing and just started creating consistently, I actually improved faster. I got more comfortable on camera. Editing got easier, and my real voice started to come through. The irony of it all is I finally became the creator I was trying to be back when I was doing all the over-editing and everything like that. Those early videos taught me to let go of perfection and focus on the progress instead. And believe me, when you do that, YouTube becomes so much more fun. So if you're just starting your YouTube journey, please remember this, okay? Your first 20 videos aren't a test, they're training. They don't need to be perfect, they just need to exist. So film them, upload them, and learn from them. Because you can't get to video 100 until you make video number 1. And if that resonates with you, let me know in the comments below. Tell me how many videos you've uploaded so far. And don't forget to grab my free YouTube upload checklist. The link's in the description below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss another video. And remember, you can do this and you've got it. And I'll see you in the next one.